I'm a teacher of English trying to make learners' popular pastime also very productive for them. That's why I create audiobooks with tools to understand and memorize words. How it works? First, you not only listen, but watch my audiobooks on YouTube. This is where I am reading, and this is how I show and explain difficult words while reading. Another distinctive feature of my audiobook is the mightiest technique to memorize words. I make cards, which are free, for the very popular and also free program ANKI. The algorithm of this program exploits the psychological spacing effect, efficiency of which was scientifically proved long ago and is being confirmed by modern research. Let's see how to work with my ANKI cards. You should recall the word by its short description. Then check yourself pressing this button. Now please assess how well you remember the word. Choose one of these buttons. Here goes, as they say, the killer feature of ANKI. ANKI is able to rate cards based on difficulty when you are studying them. Choosing one of these buttons, you tell the program how hard it was for you to dredge the answer up from the depths of your memory. ANKI then uses that data to decide how long it's gonna be before you see that card again. Each individual card can be tracked, can have a difficulty rating, and can be adjusted in the algorithm, so you're getting the most benefit of the spacing effect. For example, it was easy for you to recall this word, then press the Easy button. It means that this card will be shown to you in 4 days. Here goes the next card, and so on. As a result, you spent much less time to remember much more, as ANKI adds progressively longer and longer time intervals in between each of your study sessions of each card. Very important, you're memorizing words in their context, the way they were used by great authors, in the best possible context to which this word or word collocation suits best. This is the amazing advantage of my audiobooks with ANKI.